How to transfer your PayPal money to your bank account using the mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you how you can withdraw or send money from your PayPal accounts to your bank account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, in order to transfer money from a PayPal account, open the PayPal app, log into your account, and you will see the PayPal balance right over here. Just tap on your PayPal balance. Once you tap on your PayPal balance, you'll be able to see the amount of balance that you have on your PayPal account. And in order to transfer funds, from the bottom right corner of the screen, you will find the button that says transfer. So just go ahead and then tap on the option called transfer and then select transfer money. Once you choose the option called transfer money, basically you have to select a bank account to which you want to actually send to. For example, you might have multiple bank accounts added. Just select the account on which you want to transfer money to and then just tap on the next button at the bottom of the screen and enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Then tap on the confirm button and confirm that you want to complete the transaction by tapping on the transfer this much amount now button. And that's all it takes to transfer your money from PayPal to your bank account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.